Welcome to our channel!
Hi guys, welcome to our channel. If you're new to this channel, we're glad to have you here, and to all the subscribers, thank you guys for coming back. And for today's video, I'll be making a very simple balloon flower. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna pump this here. I usually squeeze this so it'll make it nice and shiny. So release a little bit. So I want to make sure they're all the same like this. And then once I do that one, I push the air, then hold it like that, wrap it to your finger, and then pull it this way. So you have your balloon right here. So we'll make them all the same size. So we need 5 of them for the petals. Squeeze that. Make sure they're the same size or about the same. Right there. So remember, you pinch. There you go, we have 5 pieces. So what you're gonna do is attach or connect this together. Just like that. And then what you're gonna do is attach this, making it like that. So we'll put this on the side for now. So we have the center one right here, a different color. So I'm gonna make this a lot smaller than the petals. About this big or small. Squeeze it so you make it nice and shiny. So you put this right on the center and then just go like that. So you'll see it like this. So once you put this down, it will go like that, but doesn't matter. It'll be fixed later. So you need your 260 balloon, stretch, and then you pump. I'll leave it a little on the tip like that. So now you fold this here, fold, pinch and twist. Tuck this in. You want to make 3 of this. Pinch and twist. Then you just twist them all 3. Like that. And then you grab your balloon. So grab the end of your petal or one of your balloon. Put this here. There you go. When you turn, there's your flower. There you go, guys. I hope you like this and learned something from this video today. It's very simple and it's easy to follow. If you like this, please give us a thumbs up and please subscribe to our channel. It will help our channel grow, and leave us your comment and thoughts down in the comment section down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and once again, this is FemboMNY. We'll see you guys in the next video. Take care and have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye.